Hello and welcome to Practical Penetration Testing course with Kali 2016 and Metasploit. This is Emin from Felt Secure Education Labs and I will be your personal instructor. Let me first quickly introduce myself. I'm a computer scientist and a PhD candidate with 8 years of real-life working experience in the IT industry. During the past 5 years, I have focused on information security projects, and to be more specific, I have conducted lots of penetration tests and security audits for both public institutions and private sector companies. Some of the certificates I hold: GXPN, Exploit Researcher and Advanced Penetration Tester, GSNA, Systems and Network Auditor, and ISO 27001 Lead Auditor. And I think that's enough for the introduction part. Let's go back to business. The purpose of this course is very simple. You will learn the practical and technical skills required to perform penetration testing by setting your own lab environment and using Kali Linux. By using the term penetration testing or simply pen testing, I mean truly professional, safe, and repeatable techniques which you can use in your professional life. So you might be wondering, what is the difference? I already know some tools and tricks to hack into systems. But the answer is simple. Knowing how to use some tools or gaining foothold in systems is simply not enough to be a complete ethical hacker. You also need to follow the best practices and a professional, step-by-step approach to stand out of the crowd. In this course, you will learn Kali, Nmap, and Metasploit tools and how do they work together. You may want to protect your company from hackers by learning their techniques, or maybe you want to sharpen your skills in penetration testing. Whatever the specific reason you are with me, I'm here to show you how to achieve these goals.